Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color all the Paw Patrol characters, easy and fun. This is part 1, and today we'll draw 4 awesome pups, Skye, Everest, Chase, and Marshall. Are you excited? Let's get started. First up is Skye. Let's draw her eyes. Then we draw her nose and her big, happy smile. Now draw Skye's fluffy hair and her round head. Don't forget her 2 floppy ears. They're so cute. Next to Skye, let's draw Everest. We'll start with her eyes. Then draw her nose and smiling mouth. Now let's draw her cozy winter hat, just like in the show. And don't forget her ears too. Now it's coloring time. Let's start with Skye. Her eyes and glasses on her head are pink. The fur on her ears and around her eyes is brown. Her face is a light brown color. Her mouth is gray. Next up is Everest. I used light purple for the inside of her ears and parts of her face. Oh, and her eyes are also light purple pretty, right? Her hat is a mix of yellow and dark green. The rest of her face and ears are gray, and the brim of her hat is light green. Now let's draw Chase. Start with his eyes. Then draw his nose and a big smiling mouth. Next, draw his face and his cool sombrero-style hat. Draw his ears standing tall. He looks so confident, doesn't he? Next to Chase is Marshall. Let's start with Marshall's eyes. He's a Dalmatian and one of the bravest pups in the team. Now draw his nose and his happy mouth. Then draw his firefighter hat. You might recognize the Paw Patrol logo on it if you're a fan. Last step for Marshall, draw his floppy ears. Now it's time to color Chase. I colored his ears and face using brown and dark yellow. His eyes are brown too. I used yellow for the hat's brim. and dark blue and green for the cap. Next is Marshall. His fire helmet is a mix of red, yellow, and gray. His eyes are navy blue, so cool! Great job, artists! If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss part 2. In the next part, we'll draw even more of your favorite Paw Patrol pups. See you soon in part 2, and keep on drawing. Goodbye for now!